Guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back to some nightly vlog action because we are going over to Mr. Streetcar Joe's house and we're gonna do some fabrication hopefully on the Mustang. So like I said in a previous video, if you haven't watched that video on the Gladiator, go watch that. But I let you guys know that there is some huge, big, massive, crazy changes coming to the Mustang within a few weeks, hopefully. And in the meantime, we're gonna knock out some much needed fabrication work. If you guys didn't follow along for the turbo build and you are new to the channel, we built a custom single turbo kit out of Mr. Streetcar Joe's garage. We had a radiator, the upper radiator hose blew off at one point on a live chat, which was pretty scary and pretty funny because we were live chatting at the same time. But anyways, that blew off, but we got it to hold for the meantime. But right after that blew off, I ended up ordering I think it's an aluminum billet coupler from Power by the Hour to replace the plastic coupler. You guys know what I'm talking about when we get to his house and I'll show you. But we're gonna pretty much replace that upper radiator hose with a hard pipe. So we've been meaning to do that, just haven't found the right time. But finally, so I thought my air to water had shipped, but it actually didn't ship until today. And it looks like it's arriving Thursday according to the tracking info. So hopefully we'll get this upper radiator hose, and then on Thursday we can hopefully start working on the actual air to water. And there'll be plenty of videos on that because we gotta mount the air to water itself, the intercooler. Then we've got to redo the intercooler pipes that go to the air to water. Then we've got to run lines all the way to the back, wire up the electric water pump, and then hook up the actual ice tank itself in the trunk. So plenty of videos to come on that, but I will see you guys over at Mr. Streetcar Joe's house. Some of you really like the SS, so got to show you the SS, of course. Always dirty, because it's a true daily driver. Great. So this is the kit I ordered. I don't know, is it Hyper Performance? High Performance? High Performance. I ordered this a long time ago. Anyways, this is the Power by the Hour little, I guess is it billet aluminum?
It is.
Yeah, little coupler. So that's going to replace the plastic one on the car. Look, if you haven't followed Streetcar Joe already, make sure you do.
Make sure you follow.
Look at that paint. Good Lord. Look at that.
It's not dead.
So it's going to replace this plastic coupler right there. You can see we've got it pretty ghetto rigged, but it's been working. And now we can get rid of this rubber hose that had all this heat wrap on it. We'll have a nice hard line, which will probably... Are we going to exhaust wrap it, or should I get it coated or something?
I would exhaust wrap it with that wrap.
Think it's better?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to exhaust wrap it.
Then your new downpipe that we're about to make.
Whoa, don't be giving stuff.
I won't say anything, but the new downpipe we're going to make,
we'll pop.
We won't wrap it.
Ooh, we won't have to, really?
Oh.
Oh, that's going to be sweet.
That's why you got to do it.
Joe always talks me into this shit.
Hey, everybody, give a thumbs up if you want David to do this new downpipe. Joe's pushing for it, but David's a little...
We're not going to tell you what it is, but trust me,
Trust me, you need to give the thumbs up.
It will be unique.
It's going to be epic.
Did you get a haircut today?
I did.
Looking good, man.
Thanks, buddy.
Shoot, shout out Rigo for not the haircut.
Yeah.
Eesh. So yeah, we're going to try. I guess I got to drain some of this fluid, but this thing looks ugly. It's like the only thing that's ugly that I did.
Downpipe off.
Give us some room in there.
Yeah, drain the coolant out.
Make a mess.
Did you empty my bucket today?
And next clip. Alright, so we got the top intercooler pipe removed. Took the exhaust off. Now we're gonna drain it. Had to go get Joe some Sonic. You know Joe's gotta have his Sonic. You can't work without it. So we're gonna drain this, hopefully not make a mess.
Yeah. How about you not make a mess, David? Is there like a drain cock down there that you can...
Oh, a little drain plug, yeah.
Instead of...
making a mess all
you
over
are
this.
not to pull the upper radiator that road.
That's how tight our fitment is. That's how close I am to losing my shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's good. Alright, so here's the little coupler. It's gonna slide on like that. And Joe cut this pipe, he cut an angle in it, so it's just gonna hug it right there. And then we'll have the other pipe just coming off the radiator like that. So, pretty simple project that we waited a couple months to do, but we're doing it now. So, like I said, air to water finally comes on Thursday. We'll take the air to air off. We'll build some brackets probably for the air to water, and then we got to order some intercooler pipe possibly, most likely, because it's not going to line up perfectly.
What size is your intercooler pipe?
4 inch. No, 3 inch.
3 inch or 3.5?
I think one side was 3.5 and the other was 3. I think.
I have 3.5, so we could probably get a head start and you just replace it.
So yeah, so we might be able to get a head start on it, according to Joe. There he is, always cleaning his car. Do you race it or you just clean it?
Ha! I raced it, bitch, like all them trophies.
Dude!
All my checks are inside. You want to see those too?
You haven't have you not cashed them?
No, they won't cash them. I tried.
So yeah, we're gonna weld this up tomorrow. Joe put a nice little bead on there. That way that one doesn't pop off, because there'll be a coupler right there. And actually they give you a coupler to hook it here, but we're actually gonna weld that one, because you had a lot of problems with yours, right?
Yes.
Yours was always popping off right there. So we're actually gonna weld those two and just negate that whole problem. Joe, when's the next race, man?
Mine?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm debating. Sometime in August.
In August. Well, it's August.
Yeah, August is half over already.
Yeah, it's August now.
So I think I may do LSX versus the World at the end of August, August 30th, 31st. My main next race is Doomsday Prepped in Denton. It is September 6th and 7th. David's
6th.
coming with that race. That race is going to be the race to beat.
It's in my calendar. What's the payout?
Payout, I think it's $2,500 to first, $500 runner-up in
That's
LS
pretty good.
Street.
So
And
Denton.
it's prepped. Denton's sticky icky, like people are gonna be flying there. So yeah, no, really looking forward to that.
We're gonna-
That's my main one.
We're gonna turn it up.
All the way. All the way up. That little BS boost I've been doing, all the way up.
That was baby
If my
boost.
boost number doesn't start with a 6, I'm going on.
Whoo! Wow. Alrighty then. Joe's not messing around. So yeah, we're gonna weld this up tomorrow, and we'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. So pretty uneventful night. We were just cutting up that pipe to make that upper radiator hose, and then tomorrow Joe's actually gonna weld it up. But tomorrow is Wednesday. You'll see this video on Wednesday. We're gonna get back to the live chats at Joe's house on Wednesday, because those are always lit. But like I said, lots of stuff coming for the Mustang. I was telling Joe and Brady, I've ordered a ton of shit for the car lately, but everything's on back order or it's custom, so it's made to order, and I'm pretty much just waiting on parts at this point. So pretty much what we're trying to do is get rid of all like this small little stuff that we can get done while the car is apart, and we have it, you know, on jack stands for a while parts start to show up. So we're just trying to get all this fabrication done, and then when all this other stuff gets in, we'll actually install this other stuff. So like I said, there is a ton of stuff about to be done to the Mustang. This car is getting almost to where my vision was. I mean, the car is always going to be progressing, but I've had this vision in my mind for a while, and the vision's kind of been progressing, and we're getting closer and closer to that vision as more parts show up, as we do more things to the Mustang, and I don't know, everything's kind of going the route that I wanted to, and I'm really happy with the Mustang, but you got to always be progressing, trying to get faster, and we're going to get to the track soon. It's just, Joe and I were talking, it's just way too hot to be out at the track. Like, you're talking 100 to 105 degree temps, 7,000 DA. It's just not a fun time to be running your car at the track. But we will get to the track because, you know, we're in August right now. September's right around the corner, and then October, and the cool air is coming. So the car will be ready just in time for that good air, that good DA. We can start traveling, start doing some racing, and we can go see what this car is going to put down in the quarter mile. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Vamy39. Follow Joe at Streetcar Joe. I will see you guys on the next one.